Ever dreamed of transforming your home office setup without breaking the bank? Today, we dive into the Dell Optiplex 7050 SFF Desktop PC and see if it's the dream ticket for your tech needs. Hi, I'm Brian, your trusted guide on the Inspect aspect. In just a few minutes, we'll unpack the true capabilities of this refurbished Dell Optiplex 7050. Is it the smart choice for you? Let's find out. The first pro is its powerful performance. With an Intel i7-7700 4-core processor clocking up to 4.2 GHz and 32 GB DDR4 RAM, it handles multitasking like a breeze. Secondly, its storage capacity is impressive. With a 1 TB SSD, you'll experience rapid boot times and ample space for large files. Number 3 is the dual monitor support. The ability to easily connect 2 monitors and enjoy 4K content means enhanced productivity and immersive media experiences. Lastly, the certification process. Being a certified refurbished product, it undergoes rigorous testing for performance and quality, ensuring reliability upon arrival. On the downside, the design could feel a bit dated for some. Despite its solid build, it lacks the sleek aesthetics of newer models. Another con is limited upgrade options. The small form factor may restrict hardware expansion in the future. Additionally, the generic packaging might be a letdown for first impressions if you're gifting this unit. Finally, the absence of modern ports like Thunderbolt may limit connectivity with some high-end peripherals. Wrapping up, the Dell Optiplex 7050 SFF is a robust workhorse, shining in performance and practicality. However, its older design and limited expansion options might not suit everyone. For those seeking a solid refurbished unit for everyday tasks and more, it's a worthy buy. But if cutting-edge style and maximum upgradability are on your checklist, you might want to explore other options. Remember, value isn't just about cost, but how well it fits your specific needs. Check the link on screen and in the description below for the best prices and deals. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, please like and share.